This is simple, refreshing facial wash. It cleans gently with no harsh chemicals. Fresh, healthy skin. Every single day.
Hello everyone, what you're watching right now was never filmed. No camera, no studio, no actors. This entire video was created using AI, starting with just a text prompt and one image. From natural human movement to cinematic style scenes, Skywork AI turns ideas into studio quality videos in just minutes. No filming, no complex editing, no stress. This realistic video was generated from a single prompt using Skywork AI video. The Skywork link is available in the video description. Once you click the link and create your account, you'll land on a dashboard like this. At the top, you'll see a prompt bar where you can type what you want to create. Below that, there are multiple options such as general, documents, slides, sheets, posters, website, design, and now a video feature. Now, I'll click on the video section. Here, Skywork offers AI-generated videos with smart generation, multi-track editing, and one-step video creation. You can create videos using text-to-video, image-to-video, reference video, and more. First, I'll try text-to-video. I'll enter a prompt like, a realistic lifestyle video of a young woman walking through a city street during golden hour. After that, I'll select the aspect ratio, duration, and resolution, and then click on the Generate button. Once the processing starts, you don't need to click or type anything. Just wait patiently. The AI handles everything automatically. When the processing is complete, you can see that the video is ready. You can easily create 5-second or 10-second videos like this in just a few clicks. But it doesn't stop here. If you click on the video, you can edit it further. You can trim the clip, adjust volume, change speed, and crop the video. By double-clicking the video, you can also change its width and height, crop specific areas, and select the aspect ratio you want. In addition, Skywork lets you generate a video cover, add background music, and create sound effects. For example, I'll click on Generate Background Music and then hit the Generate button. Skywork will process the request and create a music track automatically. You can also generate sound effects, video clips, and more. When you're satisfied with the final result, simply click on the export button and download your video in full HD quality. Now, let's move on to the next feature, image to video. Here, you just upload a reference image, paste your text prompt, choose the duration, resolution, and aspect ratio, and click Generate. After the processing is complete, you'll see that your image has been converted into a video based on your prompt. If you want to add sound effects, you can simply type something like Add Wind Sound Effects, and Skywork will automatically generate and apply it. This makes video creation incredibly simple. Whether you're using text prompts or images. Below, you'll find ready-made templates where you can choose video styles, effects, product movements, and even create product avatar videos. Making a product avatar is very easy. There are many templates available, and you can try any of them. For example, I'll choose one template. First, select the avatar you like. After that, upload your product image. In this case, I'm uploading a face wash image. Next, type the dialogue you want the avatar to speak. Once everything is ready, click on Start Generating. The system will begin processing, so just wait for a moment. It will first analyze the template, product, and dialogue, and then create the video.
Is simple, refreshing facial wash. It cleans gently with no harsh chemicals. Fresh, healthy skin. Every single day. This is simple, refreshing facial wash.
As you can see, it's that simple. You can easily create professional product videos like this using Skywork AI. And it still doesn't end here. You can also create start frame to end frame videos very easily, which we'll try next. First, upload an image. Then, enter your start frame to end frame prompt. After selecting the settings like aspect ratio, duration, and resolution, click on the generate button. The processing will start automatically, so just wait patiently. Once it's done, let's play the video. As you can see, the video is ready. Now, I'll add background music to the video. After adding the music, let's play it again. This shows how easy it is to create start frame to end frame videos using Skywork AI. But it doesn't stop here. There's more. Next, we have the subject reference option. If you click on it, you can upload an image and select the subject you want to merge into another image. For example, I'll upload a girl's image as the main subject. In the second image, I'll add glasses or goggles. My goal is to generate an image of a beautiful girl wearing glasses. And once it's finished, here is the result. You can see a video of a girl wearing glasses, created exactly according to my prompt. This way, you can easily create AI-generated videos and visuals using Skywork. The Skywork link is available in the video description, so make sure to check it out. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.